So the schoolboy football season been progressing nicely with, as usual, some entertaining football, some nice goals, some good talent on show. Most of us looking on don't even care who wins the Manning Cup or who wins the DaCosta Cup. For the football mature people, it's more about exposing talent and engendering a competitive spirit for the majority of the players who probably won't play football beyond the schoolboy level, and even for the few who will progress to bigger things in the sport. But having said all of that though, once again, there are some rumors about the possible use of ineligible players by some Manning Cup teams. As usual, governing body ISA has not confirmed or denied anything as yet. But again though, why do adult coaches and school officials continue to go to such extremes, risking embarrassment, suspension, and even expulsion over schoolboy football glory? I mean, we know the structure of our football is in trouble when people will do almost anything to win D Cup and Manning Cup. And unfortunately, that insatiable quest for winning at this level is absolutely not the best friend of development. But it is what it is. As Jamaica, it is what it is. It is.